Are you ready to propel your organization's digital transformation journey? Did you know that effective collaboration and content sharing in the cloud can save up to 100 minutes per week? That's the power of digital efficiency. At Knowledge Accelerators, we harness the power of research to champion best practices that enhance your organizational effectiveness. When users fully understand and utilize new digital tools, you can extract the maximum value from your technology investments. Our automated learning campaign tool is designed to engage users in personalized learning journeys, ensuring the content they receive is relevant, applicable, and always up to date. We understand that your time is valuable. That's why we've broken down all training into bite-sized, easily digestible chunks that can be completed in just a few minutes. This approach allows users to seamlessly integrate training into their busy schedules. Cloud technology evolves ever so quickly. With our video knowledge base, your users will keep pace with change effortlessly. Track our video version history so you can experience our unique approach. It sets us apart. Unique integrations ensure that help is always at your fingertips, whenever needed, reducing the need for additional support so users can resolve issues on their own. We believe in a continuous improvement process, regularly collecting user feedback and making necessary adjustments to enhance the learning experience. Our usage by user reports is designed to support your digital transformation journey, providing you with the insights you need to understand your team's utilization of Microsoft 365. These integrated Microsoft Graph metrics serve as a roadmap, showing you exactly where your organization stands on its digital adoption journey. With our group-level filters, you can gain a deeper understanding of user adoption trends and habits within your organization. These insights will help you identify opportunities to boost productivity and satisfaction across your organization. Join us at Knowledge Accelerators and let's embark on your digital transformation journey together.